This is our basement on February 24th right now, and it's Saturday. We're at the stage right now where it's being completed as far as drywalls go. So it was framed and drywalled over the past week and a half or 10 days or so, and the electricals and plumbing and everything like that was put in. So they're keeping everything pretty clean here. There's the room and the corner. And this is the back part with a little tiny hallway. And right here, there will be a little bathroom here. Stand-up shower. And this part here is done for an extra bedroom or a small gym.